from the startup community, like how long?
Well, actually, we're at the co-working space back in, I don't remember the year, 2011, I think.
2011, almost 3 years, no, almost like 10 years. Yeah, so Jon, which always downplays what he does, is one of the big startup entrepreneurs in Greece. Not that we are that many, but he's like an icon in the startup community. You are, and he's going to talk about. We're going to talk about a little bit the NFTs in tourism, and you also have an announcement. But before that, tell us a little bit about the company, what you do, and all this interesting cool stuff.
Okay, so I'm a co-founder of Travelmyth. It's a meta search engine for mostly sophisticated travelers because we have special categories for the hotels. We have around 3.5 million hotels all over the world, split into 55 categories, like former castle hotels, beachfront hotels, hotels with infinity pools, stuff like that. So we take also reservations on the website, and also work as a meta search engine. So for some hotels, the visitors can complete the booking on the site, and for others, they can visit one of our partners, such as Booking.com or Expedia.com, and they complete their reservation there.
And how did you start getting involved in the cryptocurrencies? How personally you started seeing that this is something that I should invest sometime?
The first was very, very early, but as most of us, I took a huge break for many, many years. And then I think about 2017, we started again seeing actively what's going on in the crypto space. And lately the NFTs caught our attention, mostly because we thought that it would be very nice to combine the NFTs with some real world experiences, such as staying at a hotel. So this is how we are going to integrate the NFTs on Travelmyth. So anyone who books on Travelmyth or have booked in the past can claim a new NFT, a free NFT, which shows that he stayed at a certain category hotel and collect this item.
And what is the advantage for people that are not familiar with the NFT and the economy? What's the advantage of me having an NFT versus just have a normal ticket or a reservation or something like that?
Yeah, okay, you know that NFTs basically started as digital collectible items, then moved to in-game items, and now the NFTs allow to do some kind of promotions, raffles, also work as a ticket access to events like you did today. So in the future we might offer such stuff like a loyalty SIM to owners of the NFT, do raffles, or even because the NFTs have the huge advantage that they're on the blockchain and someone can do something permissionless, like drop something or offer a promotion to our visitors, even to our owners of the NFTs, without even us knowing that he does it.
Does the hotel need to do something to engage with the consumers? Does the hotel actually have access to the information of the person who got the ticket, the NFT?
Not now, but it's something that we could plan in the future.
And how are the hotels? What is their opinion? Do they know about this? Are they excited, or they have no idea? Are they interested in using this technology?
We have talked with very few hotels now. Everyone is very interested. First, they are interested in the concept of traveling because the possibility of the visitors discovering a special hotel that they couldn't find if they search with a traditional way, like a price or. So they are very positive, especially our visitors also. to that possibility.
And obviously this will work from anywhere in the world, like whoever buys an experience from, I don't know, whatever.
Yeah, exactly. Our project is quite global. We have a lot of traffic from the reservation from the US and UK, and most of the about 50% of the traffic is in 60 different countries.
What was the most difficult thing when you started integrating NFTs into your business?
Okay, this is a nightmare actually.
Oh, okay. I love nightmares. You got my attention.
First, we started seeing the possibility of dropping them directly on Ethereum. But due to the high fees, it's impossible to offer free NFTs to anyone who has booked. We are talking about thousands of possible NFTs.
Oh.
So in the beginning, when we were searching this, the costs were like $40 to $70 per NFT.
Per free NFT that you're going to give away.
Yeah, so it was kind of impossible to offer this. So we started researching a lot of solutions like Layer 2 sidechains, ZK rollups, and we ended up on the Polygon network, formerly known as Matic, where the fees are very low and it's 100% compatible with the Ethereum chain.
Mm-hmm.
So anyone can then pay the fees for the NFT that he has on Matic and transfer it to Ethereum.
And for those that they don't know what the gas fees are, even though I'm pretty sure almost 95% here knows, when you buy something, when you make any transaction, when you want to log something on the blockchain, you need to pay the fee to the miners, so they log it, so they write it right on the blockchain. Sadly, on the Ethereum blockchain right now, it is very volatile, this fee. It depends on the transactions that are happening at that moment on the blockchain. It could be $3, it could be $300. Literally, we've seen all ranges the last couple of months. So there are companies building side chains like Polygon, Matic, where they maintain their own decentralized chain, they do their own stuff, and every X hours they sync back to the main chain, correct?
Correct. The thing is that Ethereum fees could become more predictable after APE 1559, but still it's prohibitive to drop free NFTs to anyone who does a reservation, because the margin, our margin is very low to kind of offer a free item.
Of course. Nice. Tell us about the announcement. Like, tell us more about the announcement.
That's all.
You released it yesterday, right?
We put the page online yesterday night. Anyone can go to travelmyth.com/NFTs, and if they have done a reservation through us or to one of our partners by going first to our website, he can claim his own free NFT, and from now on we will be offering the free NFTs to all customers.
Fantastic, fantastic. Perfect, John. Thanks a lot. Guys, do we have any questions about NFT, tourism, how you can claim your free tickets? Anything? Oh, yep.
So how would you support and collaborate with the local authority here in UK for a payment from cryptocurrency to book someone in order to have a vacation? Let's say I'm going to go to Santorini and I want to book through your platform a hotel. Is this possible? It's not possible right now. It will be in the future.
First of all, two of our partners already allow cryptocurrency payments, Expedia and Hotels.com. So you can pay there if you go through our website and complete your booking there. We don't have very near-term plans for integrating crypto payment for the reservations that we are taking, but it's something that it's always interesting and seeing the future happening.
Nice, nice. Any other question? Yep.
Yeah, how did you manage to educate the customers about NFTs and blockchain? Was it like an easy thing to do?
You mean to educate our customers?
Yeah, to understand about NFTs and to have the wallet and to do all these things too.
We actually won't do it. It's something that won't push and promote to all visitors. So it will be invisible to the whole process. But we know that there are many people that are familiar with cryptocurrencies and NFTs, so we want to target first these visitors. So even the promo will go to mostly to specialized newsletters or Reddit and places where there are a lot of visitors familiar with the cryptos.
Yes, it's always the issue educating all these people how to use their wallets and everything, but that's to happen. There's no alternative.
It's very hard, but the last few months we have seen some huge projects to bring in like millions of users to NFTs, such as the NBA Top Shot. And also the drops are becoming even more popular.
Oh yeah. I hope that that Greece starts using MetaMask wallets. Starts. Yeah, it was also very difficult for the event, educating all these people like how this works, how the MetaMask works, how you can scan, how you can. It's not rocket science, but definitely it's not as easy as clicking a button and signing into Facebook.
There is a learning curve that needs to be known. And it's not very easy.
Oh, yeah.
Still.
Any other questions, guys? Fantastic, perfect. Thank you, Jon.
Thank you.